This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying capability. Check your phone's Wi-Fi specs to confirm it supports the 5 GHz band, not just LTE 4G. Once done, update the phone OS and router firmware so they speak the same wireless standards. Make sure the router broadcast for 5 GHz is enabled. Reboot both devices to clear transient errors. This first step prevents wasted effort troubleshooting compatibility problems later and positions you to find the 5G SSID quickly. Now make the 5 GHz network visible and friendly to your phone. Log into the router, create a clear 5 GHz SSID, or turn off band steering so the phone sees both bands separately. This helps selection. Set the radio to 802.11 AC/N for best compatibility and choose a non-crowded channel in the 3664 or 100-144 range. Use WPA2 or WPA3 encryption and a strong passphrase. Once saved, scan for that SSID on your phone and attempt to join. Finally, on your phone, choose the 5 GHz SSID you created and enter the password. Make sure to forget any old similarly named networks first so the phone doesn't auto-join the 4 GHz band. After connecting, verify the link by running a speed test and checking signal strength. If DHCP stalls, renew the lease or set a temporary static IP and DNS. Troubleshooting tip: if connection fails, toggle the router's 5 GHz radio, reboot both devices, and ensure channel width is compatible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.